The arts funding has really helped us invest in the arts here at McKinley. We've been able to have a dedicated art teacher for all of our students, really equipped our art room with all the essentials that she needs. And it also has helped us renovate this space to allow visual and performing arts for our students, and also just a place for school community. We are very lucky at McKinley that we have our very own standalone auditorium. This is where we hold all of our student assemblies, parent events, and we hope that it could also be used for community as it becomes into the final stages of the renovation. We were able to replace all the curtains, and so we have really brand new, state-of-the-art, beautiful curtains that allows us to be able to have theater and visual and performing arts up on stage. And it's also helped us renovate the flooring. This is a historic building, so we want to make sure we preserve it as much as we can. We're really excited that the arts funding has helped support that, and then this beautiful space will also, help enhance and showcase that.